I look hot in it, hot in it, I look hot in it. Rocking it, dropping it, shake my ass, I'm stopping it. I look hot in it, hot in it, I look hot in it. Rocking it, dropping it, shake my...
Hello everyone, welcome to a quick shuffle combo tutorial. I'm Paulina and today I will show you my favorite shuffle combos. You can just put them anywhere into your shuffle flows. Okay, let's get right into it. Firstly, let's start with a Polly Pocket. Start with your right foot on the heel and remember, Polly Pocket is all about twisting your hips. Then, hopping on the right foot, just like this, and instead of putting the foot on the ground, just kick it. Bam! Kick it so fast and then bend your knee, just like this. Now let's do a popular crisscross with your left leg in the back. Your knees are pointed outwards here and remember, bend those knees. It really helps. Then hopping, toes pointed inwards, weird position, and then doing crisscross once again with your left foot ahead. Alright, now try to make a 90-degree angle with your right knee. And let's do a cow tail. And remember, this combo is intended to be pretty fast, so do not focus on the perfect circle here. Just put your foot as far as you can behind you. Then quickly kick with your right, or you can just touch the ground with your foot. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. Touch or kick, and then quickly put your leg in this position. Okay, what's next? Just hop on it and then rotate your body towards the right side. Bam! Okay, and now you can just finish the whole combo right here, or you can add an extra kick. It depends on how many counts basically you actually need. Then coming back to a first count, Polly Pocket, so you can repeat the whole combo once again. Now facing the back. 1 and kick and crisscross and another crisscross and cowtail, kick and hop, hop, kick and all over again, Polly Pocket. Alright guys, that is the whole combo. Thank you so much for watching, hope you like it. If so, hit the like button down below and leave a comment for me. See you in the next tutorial, bye!